Hello everybody! This video will show you how to send a picture from the screen of a smartphone or tablet PC to a computer with Windows 10. Windows 10 has got an option to send the picture from a smartphone or tablet PC to the display of a laptop or computer through a Wi-Fi connection. The main requirement for the computer you are going to use for showing the picture from a smartphone is to support Miracast technology. This support depends on the Wi-Fi adapter used by the computer. In this video, we'll be talking about Android, as Apple devices work in a different format which doesn't use Miracast. Dear friends, if you need to recover deleted data, use utilities by Hetman Software. Follow the link in the description to visit our website, download a utility for free and install it. Then start disk analysis. When the process is over, it will show the files available for recovery, and you will be able to bring them back. Our blog features quick guides to solve all kinds of problems faced by Windows users. Our channel and blog offer solutions for any issues, from installing the operating system to remote administration and connecting mobile devices. Our specialists will be glad to answer your questions in comments to videos and articles. So how can you send the picture from your smartphone to the computer display without any wires? Make sure your computer and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If they use different networks, such connection cannot be established. After that, open the Action Center on the computer with Windows 10 where you are going to send the picture from the smartphone, and select Connect. As a result, the window of searching and connecting wireless displays will open. At this moment, please pay attention. If your computer doesn't support Miracast, Windows will tell you about it. It means that you can't establish a wireless connection with such computer. If there is no such notice, click on the link Projecting to this PC. Projecting settings will open. Change the first setting to Available Everywhere and the other setting to Every time a connection is requested. Set the PIN code if you want, or rename the computer. Now let's move to the smartphone or tablet PC. Go to Settings, Wireless and Networks, More, Wireless Display. Your device must have a function called Wireless Display or Cast Screen, as in some versions of Android. Android devices support this function beginning with version 4.2. In various versions of Android or firmware by various manufacturers, the menu items may differ a bit. Find Wireless Connection, Wireless Display, or Cast Screen, and enable this function. As a result, your device should detect a computer with an activated projecting function and show its name. I mean the name you have given to this computer in the projecting menu. Click on the computer name to connect projecting. As a result, your computer will ask for permission to connect projecting. Confirm the request. The connecting process starts. Now projecting is on. Now the computer screen will show everything that's happening in the smartphone screen. The sound is also transmitted, so you can stream your favorite game, as well as photos, videos, or even watch a film.
Кто выключил свет?
Основана на знаменитой книге.
Я Дракула.
Так это ты ведьму подослал.
Какую ведьму?
Сейчас же сними заклятие.
To disconnect the smartphone from the computer, go to Settings, Wireless and Networks, More, Wireless Display. Click on the active connection with the computer and confirm your decision to disconnect. On the computer, set projecting to Always Off. That is all for now. If you found this video useful, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more. Thank you for watching and good luck!